The first step to selling digital products on Instagram like a pro, specifically in 2020, is to post client-attracting content. I feel like a broken record. I can't talk about this enough, but you cannot expect to sell digital products by posting pictures of your food, pictures of your latest vacation to Miami, pictures of, I don't know, your cozy socks at home, like, you know, an occasional kind of personal post or whatever, pictures of your dog is fine here or there. But if you are looking to sell digital products online, then that means you're a business and you need to treat your Instagram profile like a business as well. So go ahead and pepper in a little bit of those kind of personal posts just to personalize and humanize your brand. But the majority of your posts should be what I call client attracting content, which is content that your target market is specifically looking for, and is going to give them a reason to follow you, because following you is the first step in order to purchasing from you. All right, the next thing you need to do if you want to sell digital products on social media is share your testimonials. Here's the thing, the internet is a big place and people don't know you. Girl, they don't know you. I know we feel like I'm great. Everybody should buy what I'm selling, but people don't know you like that. You are just another account in the sea of accounts that they're stumbling on via the Explore page or hashtags or somebody else's profile or a comment or whatever. There's a number of ways that people can stumble on you. And so in order to garner some of that trust, you want to demonstrate testimonials from other people who are similar to your target market, who've had great results with your digital product. So even if it's something as simple as an ebook and a prior customer sent you a DM like, this ebook is fantastic, you should showcase that. Now, of course, you know, blur out the person's name and make it anonymous, but you want to showcase those testimonials so that new people who are coming on your profile for the first time can have confidence in you.